This demo here is for the Cascade S300. I'll start all the way over to the left. Is your chiller for the chuck. This is the controller right here, and this is your compressor down here. Then you just have your VGA monitor that just is for the camera. You got your microscope over here with the A-Zoom 2. Got your chuck down here. I have it opened with your cover, your shield up here, just so you can see stuff. You got your A-Zoom for the light source and objectives. Then you got your other micro chamber cover. Down in here you have your chuck down there. You have your platen lift. And you have your bottom of the cabinet. Down here you have your PC and your controls for your vibration table. Over here you have your monitor, your keyboard, your joystick and your mouse. Then you have your vacuum controls for your chuck and your stage with your probes, emergency off, your main power on, and your reset. Go to the back of the system. And here's your back of your monitor. Back of the system. All your connections hooked up. Okay. You have your, right here is your vacuum hookups, your gas hookups, and your CDA hookup, and then your back of your chiller is your interconnects. In here you'll have your, you go right into a folder. I can go up, go to my computer, C drive, program files, Cascade, and you have all your folders in here. And you have, there's all your manuals for everything in here. In fact, I'll create a desktop copy of that. Now the main thing over here you want to look at, because your chiller right now is set at -65, and it's just about there. I'm going to change that now. I'm just going to push it to ambient so the chuck heats up. Now on here, I'm just going to close this all out, and you're going to go right to the nucleus right here to start up the program. It's going to come to here. You're going to hit the password, hit enter. It's going to say it's going to initialize. And you can see it's starting to move things around. And then it comes up to the screen over here. From the screen over here, we gotta wait for this to clear up. As you can see, it is in focus here, but a little frosted over from it being frozen. But if I was to hit the directional thing, you'll see that it goes over, and it's indexing right now. And then what I can do is I can hit scan, and then I can go very slowly across. We'll go medium. High. And I can also use the joystick here. Also, I can adjust the magnification by using these buttons right here. I can put it on 75, 50, 25, 10, and 0. There's a preset zooms for this. And another key thing in here is that you want to always check to make sure it's running perfectly fine is your verify station. So we're going to click on verify station, and it's going to go right here. And then what we're going to do is make sure that it can go through all the motions. And it's going to go through all these tests. It's going to do all the XY, theta, and all these basically little dots here should turn green when it goes through it all. You can see it's moving around. And it's going through all the axes. And you can see as everything's starting to come up. If it does find any problems, those things will turn red on you. Alright, that's the one set. And then I got the other set over here. And there's, you can see it turned green right there. And now it says raise the platen. So we gotta raise the platen. And hit yes. Now I get to lower the platen. Go down. And then move it partial. must have picked it up too high. Here's the other ones. It says it does. Close the micro chamber door, which is closed. Open the micro chamber door. See, I opened it. And this one right here was just because I didn't move the platen in between. I didn't have it all the way. It has to be pretty much straight in the middle. But the main thing is that this motion's right here. Everything's green. The joystick, we all know that works because I just showed you how it works. And everything else on here is working, and that is the end of the test.